of that shit, bro. Real shit. Funny Mike got grills in because his teeth is going brown. Fucking Funny Mike's veneers are brown now. They're molding, nigga. They're molding. I don't give a fuck. I'm calling out everybody, bro. Real shit. I don't care with that shit. Funny Mike and Bendadonn 35. Sorry to tell y'all niggas. I'm sorry to tell y'all niggas. It is what it is. I'm crashing out on everybody. Why the fuck is y'all niggas 40 going to a fucking prom? Stop playing with me, bro. I don't care, bro. I'm not doing that shit no more, bro. I'm not doing that shit no more, bro. I'm not letting niggas get on my ass no more. Talking about me going with Gotti and shit. You got me fucked up, nigga. You got me fucked up. I don't care with this shit, bro. I'm on everybody's ass. I'm on everybody's ass, bro. I don't care, bro. Dubb's ass, bro. I'm on that nigga ass, bro. Posting that shit. You got me fucked up, bro. Real shit. Dead ass.
Hey, Deshae, I don't know what type of pills you done pop that got you feeling like you, yeah. Man, you take that shit out on Ben, you heard me? You won't talk about me, I ain't got shit to do with that. But you banned, nigga. Don't show up, pussy.